Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best drug screen is probably one of the most crucial tools for maintaining a safe and healthy environment, whether it's for personal use, workplace compliance, or legal requirements. This video dives deep into the world of drug screening, exploring various methods, accuracy levels, and the importance of choosing the right test for your specific needs. We'll cover everything from urine tests to saliva tests, and discuss the pros and cons of each. Number 5. Easy At-Home THC Drug Test Kit, 10-pack. This at-home kit uses the same method as lab tests, detecting THC down to a 50 ml threshold. It's designed for over-the-counter use, giving you reliable results. The kit detects THC metabolites in urine, even up to 5 days after use. It complies with all relevant regulations, ensuring trustworthy results. Just dip the test in urine for 10 seconds, and see the results instantly. 2 lines mean negative, only the control line means positive. It's that simple. Use this kit to monitor THC levels in your urine. Regular testing helps you track your progress, whether you're preparing for a screening or just want to know where you stand. This kit is designed for human urine only. Using other substances will likely give incorrect results. Make sure you use it correctly to get accurate results and effectively monitor your detox process. What we like. This kit is designed to detect THC in urine with a 50 ml cutoff level. It provides quick results, allowing you to monitor your THC levels. If you are looking to track your THC detox progress or prepare for a screening, this is a great choice. What people say. This product performed well in my testing. The test kit is very easy to use. The kit is easy to use and provides reliable results within minutes. Number 4. Chanca Piedra Stone Breaker, Kidney and Gallbladder Cleanse. This advanced formula combines Chanca Piedra with celery seed and parsley extract. It provides comprehensive support for your kidneys, gallbladder, and urinary tract. It helps your body feel balanced and detoxified. Celery seed aids in kidney cleansing, while parsley extract encourages detox. Plant-based boron supports your body's natural detoxification pathways. Together, they deliver a comprehensive cleanse that Chanca Piedra alone cannot achieve. This product features potent Chanca Piedra, a trusted herb. It's supercharged with bioperine black pepper extract. This dramatically boosts nutrient bioavailability, so your body gets maximum effectiveness. These are 100% vegetarian, easy-to-swallow capsules. They are completely free of fillers, binders, and artificial ingredients. There is no gluten, wheat, or dairy. And, of course, it was never tested on animals. Try Stonebreaker without worry, we're confident that you'll see results. Plus, your purchase helps provide vitamins to underserved women and children at risk for malnutrition through our partnership with Vitamin Angels. What we like. This formula offers comprehensive support for your kidneys, gallbladder, and urinary tract. It combines Chanca Piedra with other natural ingredients for a complete detox. If you are looking for a natural way to support your kidney and gallbladder health, this product is worth considering. What people say. I've only taken one a day so far, but it has been really fast acting right away, reduced the pressure under my right ribs quickly. The Stonebreaker edition makes you go do number 2 a lot in quantity in the beginning. I'm assuming it's cleaning out your backed up system and helping bile move from liver to gallbladder for fatty breakdown. I'm happy with the results after using this. Number 3. Prime Screen 6-Panel Drug Test Kit WDOA 264. This drug test kit is both accurate and reliable. It's cleared for home and professional use, with over 99% accuracy in detecting 6 different drugs. Using this test is quick and simple. Just dip it in urine for 10 seconds, and you'll have your results in 5 minutes. 2 lines mean it's clean. This kit is perfect for various situations. You can use it at work, at home with teens, or in clinics and rehab centers. It's a versatile tool. Regular testing provides peace of mind. Use it to ensure you, your staff, or your family members are safe before official tests. It helps you stay informed. Your satisfaction is our top priority. We offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee, including easy replacements and customer service. Contact us with any questions. What we like. This kit accurately detects 6 different drugs, making it suitable for various scenarios. The test is easy to use and provides results quickly. If you need a reliable and versatile drug test for home or professional use, this is a great option. What people say. This kit includes tests for THC, marijuana, BZO, benzos, meth, OPI, AMP, and COC, making it a comprehensive option for testing multiple substances. The Prime Screen 6-panel urine drug test kit is easy to use and provides accurate results in a matter of minutes. The results are displayed clearly on the test strips, with distinct lines indicating a negative or positive result for each substance. Number 2. Prime Screen 12-panel drug test cup. This test is CLIA waived, making it suitable for home or over-the-counter use. It utilizes the same technology as lab screening tests, and the results are widely accepted in professional and clinical environments. This lab-grade test is designed to detect 12 different drugs simultaneously. It provides a comprehensive analysis, giving you a complete overview of the substances present. The test boasts an accuracy rate of over 99%. It adheres to lab-recommended cutoff levels for each drug, ensuring reliable and precise results. Using this test is incredibly simple. Just collect a urine sample in the cup, wait a full 5 minutes, and read the results. The included gloves make the process clean and convenient. If 2 lines appear, the result is negative. If only the control line appears, it's positive. Remember, a faint test line still indicates a negative result, and do not read results after 5 minutes. What we like. This test can detect 12 different drugs simultaneously, offering comprehensive screening. It provides lab-grade accuracy and is easy to use. If you need a thorough and reliable drug test with a wide range of detection capabilities, you should consider this. What people say. The test results were accurate and easy to read. The product is easy to use and provides quick results. Number 1. Prime Screen 12-panel drug test, 5-pack. Introducing the Prime Screen 12-panel drug test. This test is CLIA waived, making it suitable for home or over-the-counter use. It utilizes the same technology as lab screening tests, and the results are accepted in most professional settings. This lab-grade test can simultaneously detect 12 different drugs. It checks for THC, OPI, AMP, BAR, BUP, COC, MAMP, MDMA, MTD, OXY, PCP, and TCA. It offers a comprehensive screening solution. The Prime Screen test boasts over 99% accuracy. It adheres to lab-recommended cutoff levels for each drug. You can trust the results for reliable drug detection. Using the test is simple. Just collect a urine sample, wait a full 5 minutes, and read the results. Disposable gloves are included for your convenience. A negative result is indicated by 2 lines, while a positive result shows only 1. Remember, a faint test line still indicates a negative result. Do not read the results after 5 minutes. This ensures the most accurate readings. What we like. This test can detect 12 different drugs simultaneously, offering comprehensive screening. It provides lab-grade accuracy and is easy to use. If you need a thorough and reliable drug test with a wide range of detection capabilities, you should consider this. What people say. These are very simple and easy to use. They are always 100% accurate. Recommended 10 out of 10. If you gotta do a drug test for a company, or a CDL school, order this test kit. It has more test windows than a federal CDL Class A drug test. While cleaning out. Use 1 cup test kit every week. Once the cup is showing all strong double lines on every window, now you're ready to go do an official drug test. These tests are accurate and very trustworthy. Great product, easy to use and easy to read. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.